What is a quick win and how do they build wealth? Stick around to the end and you can learn how to use quick wins to start building wealth and living the life you deserve. So it has been said that your inner world is reflected by the world around you. So if you're constantly feeling sad, depressed, or angry, this can really affect the relationships around you, and it can also affect your bank account. And you may start to feel like just stuff never comes your way and you just can't win. So what do? Figure out a way to have a quick win. So what is a quick win, you ask? So a quick win is something that you can accomplish easily that moves you toward your goals and gets you on the path to feeling really good internally about yourself. And this is one of the reasons why the military has you make your bed first thing in the morning. Because that little task right up front, regardless of how crappy that day is gonna be, is gonna help set you up for a better day. So how do quick wins move you toward building wealth? As simple as it may be, when you feel really good, you attract more into your life. You vibrate at a higher level and thus become more magnetic to everything good around you. And this in turn opens up more opportunities for wealth building situations. And sometimes all it takes is that first move. For example, let's say you have a goal of buying that first rental property. So a quick win could be calling up a realtor and actually going out to see your first property. What that does is it gets you moving in the right direction. And when you have those little quick wins that move you in the right direction, it sparks more ideas and more things to help bring everything together. Because you feel really good that you took that first step, so now it's gonna wanna make you take more and more steps toward your goal. Another example is maybe you wanna start investing. Simple quick win, Google how to start investing. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is. Then the next step is to find a brokerage and open an account. Just the act of opening the account will allow space for your money to go. And that's another quick win. And now that you're feeling good that you actually opened an account, the next little quick win would be to set up an automatic draft from your checking account into that account. You may even be able to do it through a direct deposit from your paycheck through your payroll company at work. And with each step along the way, make sure you take a quick moment to celebrate it. The better you feel about each step in the process, the more you're gonna wanna do things and the more wealth you're gonna build. So enjoy each win, build on each step, celebrate it, and seek to learn more each step along the way. And as you're feeling better and as you're learning more, just watch your wealth start to grow. You're just a few quick wins from the life you desire. See you in the next one.